Welcome back
on the road to adventure.
Last week you saw a special we made from the powwow on Mount McKay in Thunder Bay. Thank you for watching. But now we got something special because in the meantime there was a lot going on.
Before we got to Thunder Bay, we rode from Peterborough. In Peterborough we stayed with friends, but on our way to Thunder Bay we got a little accident, and that's what this video is about. So you see the road from Peterborough to Thunder Bay, and we hope you like the video.
Ja! Kijk het vuil!
Kom het veld in! Nee! Oh nee!
Holy deer! Nou! Yay!
Yeah, and they'll shoot it down.
Oh, look at
eh?
that, look at the house.
He would shoot it down. Yeah. But isn't that something, eh?
Pretty
You
cool.
Is
know,
it past the Bennett's?
No, this is at the
it's
Bennett.
At the Bennett's. We're
at
building
the
a new house.
And I'll show you where our house is. It's right off my finger there. You'll see it. Yeah, it's right up there.
Oh, there he is.
No way. That's incredible. That is absolutely incredible. Guys, look at this. Look at where it took off. It landed exactly where it took off. Mine is not that good.
The last 3 nights
Yep.
we slept here at the family Venus,
Up here.
and they were so helpful, interested. We got the best food ever.
Oh yeah.
We played
absolutely.
baseball. We had a campfire. It was so
There
great,
was a lot going on.
and we really want to thank Willeke, Henny, Maggie,
Frank,
Willem, Frank,
Sophie,
and
James.
James. We had such
and
a
the
nice
friends
time.
of Frank. Don't
And
forget them
friends
also.
of Frank and the neighbors.
Yeah, the neighbors.
We had such a good time. So
It was. And now we got something important to do. Watch this. Well, good evening Nadine.
good evening.
Good evening, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, but what?
We are on a campsite in Sudbury.
As you can see, this is our tent. The motorcycles outside. As you can see, what's the problem, Nadi?
We got so many mosquitoes, really many mosquitoes.
But
So we bought a citronella candle. We are sitting in the tent. It is now 9 o'clock, but we are already sitting here for an hour because if you are outside, you're getting killed by the mosquitoes. Today we drove like 400 kilometers from Peterborough to Sudbury, and it was kind of a long day. It went well, but there was a quite hard.
Windy. It was very windy. It was storm, so it was difficult to get the bikes on the road.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Hi. Blijf even liggen. Is het oké?
Ja.
Blijf even liggen.
Ik denk maar liggen.
Okay, just a second.
I got the bike, so
Yeah, okay. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah, oh, we have to fix that one way or another. Okay, as long as you can drive, as long as she's okay. Nothing is going on, right? There is a table. Okay, so you can walk. Eh? Okay, thank you so much. Well, okay, yeah, super. Just it was up here, right?
Yeah, there was a ditch there.
I know. Hey, yeah, good. She just fell down here.
she dropped the bike right here.
I take care of it. She's okay. She's okay. Thank you so much for helping us out because I really don't know what. Well,
It's all good.
it could be worse. Okay,
Oh,
so
absolutely, it can
she's
be worse.
one. Okay, we don't drive it that fast because we just take that curve there. So, oh God, well, we have to fix
Tell
that
her
some way or
not
the
to
other.
ignore anything. If anything gets worse there, tell her to go get it checked out.
Yeah. Okay.
There's a hospital like in Elm Lake, and there's one in
Blind River too. Right off the highway in Blind River.
Yeah, we're on the way to Blind River.
Yeah.
I just wait a minute, take a coffee, see how she's going. When everything's going well, we go fix the bike, see how we can get in Blind River.
Erik,
Yeah,
what are you doing?
I'm just preparing. I tried to fix the bike. Nadine just got an accident and we only got these tools from the dollar store that are not very good to repair this bike, and we see what we can do.
And it's like the pedal where my
The
foot,
steps, the foot
the
steps.
steps.
Step here and we have to take this one a bit.
The footstep is lost, not lost, but it's broken. And the
Okay,
brake.
This is all right now.
Oh, and the brake was bent, but now it's working again.
point
Only
is-
this part is just one full part. So if you wanna repair the footstep, you have to.
Change this whole part here.
We'll see.
See what we can do.
This here is broken. That's broken, but it's only plastic, so it's not a problem. And this was bent, We already bent it back and the brakes still work, but this one was bent and this mirror is totally empty. So Eric's trying to put the footstep for the extra rider on the normal place, because I don't have an extra rider, so I can use that. What did you say?
To remove is not a problem. The problem is to get it back. Ah, we got
There's some fluid.
some brake fluid is leaking here. So we also have to serious to get to see what we're gonna do.
The bolt of this footstep is smaller than of this footstep, so we have to look for something we can put in.
Yes, that will fit.
There seems to be leaking a little bit of
It's leaking brake fluid.
fluids.
Yeah, so we need to check that. We can drive this way because we don't have ook niet echt the brake.
Eric's gonna test the rear brake. We'll see. The motor still works. So the rear brake doesn't work. Okay, the front brake does work, rear brake doesn't work. There's also fluid leaking there. So we have to get to Sudbury probably, because there are garages. And today is Sunday, so we'll see. Hi,
We
it's
are
us
again.
again from the future, because in the next few shots it looks like we're very happy and nothing's going on, but in the meantime I had fallen and I had a lot of pain, so we decided to drive slowly in the direction of Sudbury, where there are garages, and Eric took my bike because it didn't have a rear brake then, and he is a lot more experienced, so we drove slowly, we took care, but we had a lot of extra stuff, so that's what you'll see in the next video. We are now in Bruce Mines, and since today we see all the garbage cans are closed or closed off. With this, it's hard to open. That means there are bears in this area. Let's go to the lake for our bingo card.
Welcome to Bruce Mines.
We have to make a picture with a welcome to board. So
That's right.
here we are.
And now we're in Bruce Mines, a big city with only 600 people who lives here. But it's a great city because we were here before, and we just take a look at a beautiful lake they got.
And they're all
behind
nice
me.
here. Can you tell something about this view, Erik?
Yeah, it's a beautiful view. We're here in the marina from still staying. And if you see the bridge there, that big bridge, that's the bridge to the USA. And for about 10 years ago, I walked over that bridge to the USA. And not on the normal side, but at the, well, how do you tell it?
On the bow of the bridge, the upper side.
On the other side, yes.
So you see on this side, the ships have Canadian flags. We have beaver tails, a theater, and there on the other side we have a big American flag, but
You
it's...
don't see it right now because the wind is not blowing, but if you wait a second.
So if you drive from right to left, there's America. Here is the flag.
See the flag right now, see?
So this bike's from a Canadian veteran, and we left a pin on it from 80 years of liberty of Holland for this guy.
I'm sending you an email, man. I recognize those bikes. I see them all again.
Hey, Erik.
Hey, it's me.
There are mosquitoes.
Oh, there are a lot
But
of mosquitoes here also.
We booked a
The
motel.
mosquitoes all over Canada mosquito land, I tell you.
We drove 500 kilometers today.
Yeah, that's what we did.
It was a beautiful road.
Oh, it was a beautiful road.
It was beautiful weather, although the forecast was
pretty bad.
pretty bad, but
Well, it was very good weather, and well, we did an awesome job. 500 kilometers,
Yeah.
not bad, with a broken bike.
and a broken bike, and I fell yesterday, so I think I have I don't know how you call it, but there's something with my rib.
There's
How do
something
you
with the
call
rib.
it in English?
It's not a rib eye, but with your eye you can see there's something with the rib.
My total hip is blue, but in Holland we say, well, and today is my birthday actually, and in Holland we say,
Yeah.
we zetten de bloemetjes buiten.
We set the flowers outside.
So we put the flowers outside,
That's the Dutch.
and I'll
line.
show you. These are our bikes and the flowers we put outside.
Outside.
Good night, bikes.
Good night.
Good night, Erik.
I go for the coffee first by Robbins.
We had a very good rest in the motel in Schreiber, and we met a lot of really nice people there. On the next day, we had a small drive to Thunder Bay, but when we got to Thunder Bay, there happened a lot. So you'll see us arriving in Thunder Bay in the next video.
So if you like, please subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and we like to meet you on the road to adventure in the next video. Bye bye.